Is your Vizio Smart TV Remote not working? Maybe the buttons don't respond or it keeps ghosting. Here's how to easily fix your Vizio voice remote. In this case, what you should try first is cold booting your Vizio TV. To do this, you'll need to unplug the power cable and wait for at least 5 minutes before turning your TV back on. And while you're waiting, it's also good practice to take out the batteries from your Vizio voice remote, then put them back in before turning your TV on. If you're still having trouble controlling your TV, make sure nothing is obstructing the infrared receiver of your TV and the front of your remote. If the infrared doesn't work either, then you need to check whether your remote has battery or not. You can easily do this by opening the camera app on your smartphone, then point your remote at the camera and press any buttons. You should see a light blinking. If you don't see it, then replace your remote's batteries. On the other hand, if the infrared works but Bluetooth doesn't, then what we can try is resetting the remote and repairing it. To do this, press the settings button on the remote, then go to all settings, then system, then open voice remote. Now go down to unpair remote, hit unpair, and then pair it back by holding down the mic and mute button. But in case your remote is non-functional and it doesn't work at all, then there may be some internal dirt buildup or your remote may be damaged, so your remote may need repairs. But don't lose hope, there's a better option. You can forget about the remote and use your smartphone to control your TV instead. You can do it via the Vizio app, and if you need assistance, just take a look at our short guide. Let us know how it went and good luck.